We're continually updating TruVision with new features, pretty much every month. In fact, a lot of the times, those features are requested by our customers. Here are some of the things that we've added recently.
I'm going to start by showing you a new report that we have. As I go through the Network Navigator and I click on the nodes right here, I now get a report of all nodes on the CMTS. We've also changed on any report that has an address how we sort the report. We used to sort by the number, which wasn't real helpful. Now when you click sort, you'll see it sorted by the first letter of the address, and that way you can see everybody on the same street. And also on the node report, we show you the online status, whether it's online, offline, or attempting. Now when I click on a customer, we now auto-discover the node information, and we'll display that here. So just enter that in the CMTS, and then you'll see that here, and you can sort on it in reports or on the map. Also, we have some providers that have told us that they actually give their customers a higher speed than they're advertising, and this can cause problems sometimes if the customer calls into tech support, and it can cause some confusion if the tech support gives them a higher number than the customer thinks that they're getting. So if that's the case, for example, maybe you're giving somebody maybe 8 meg, but you're telling them that they're getting 6 meg, well, you can just tell us and we can actually display whatever it is that you want on that screen so there's no confusion if the customer calls into tech support. Here's a quick summary of the features added to TruVision in our January 2015 release. The map pins in TruVision now include the CPE manufacturer and model number. Don't forget that you can also filter the map and reports by modem manufacturer and model right here. We also now can collect some EMTA statistics using the cable modem IP address in cases where the EMTA IP address is not available. This is the usual VoIP diagnostic screen. We won't be able to get the call information or MOS scores like you see, or the FDQN number, but we can get the line status information and other status information about the device. The RF statistics report available on the Reports tab now shows you the number of modem flaps during the period that you select. There's also CMTS port information available. That information is not available on the on-screen report, but you can download the report as a CSV file that can then be opened in a spreadsheet. The exported report now includes fields showing the upstream and downstream port labels and the aliases. In addition to these updates, TruVision now has a reset feature for ONTs. You can also now choose to display the time in a standard or military format, and the modem status panel can now display times online via CLI for operators using a Cisco CMTS.
There you have it, and you can always find a list of what's new in TruVision by going to truvision.com and selecting What's New under the Features menu.